Let me show you how to make the most juicy and creamy chicken shawarma wrap at home. To make this, you will need some chicken, and I'm using chicken breast here. You can just use your chicken thigh, just debone them and cut them into smaller pieces just like this. Make sure it's free from any bone and take the skin off it as well. Give your chicken these tiny cuts in between so that your spices and seasoning can just infuse better in your chicken. This is what you want to do. If you do this, your chicken will just get enough spices. Transfer this into a bowl and then go in with your spices and some vegetable oil as well, just a little bit. The spices I use or the seasons for these will just be in the description, so refer to the description to get all of that. Make sure you coat your chicken very well with the seasons. Yes, you want everything to be well coated, and this is just perfect. From the look of this, you can see that it's well coated. Transfer this into a pan, just a dry pan, because we want to grill these in a way, but we don't want it to steam to produce any juice. So just make it like this until you achieve a golden brown outlook. This is just perfect. This is good. The chicken is fine. Do not overdo it, else it will become too dry and it wouldn't be juicy as you want. So this is perfect. We are going to cut this into smaller pieces just like this. From the look of this, you can see the chicken is well cooked and it is juicy as well. It's soft and very juicy. So just do it like this until you exhaust everything. After cutting our chicken into pieces, we'll set it aside, and now we'll start to work on our vegetables. In this video, I'm using just some cabbage and I'll cut them into smaller pieces. I want them to be small. I don't want it to be very thick, and they should be thin as well, just as you see right here. This is perfect, and the quantity is just going to be okay for the quantity of shawarma I want to make. Like I said, I want it to be in smaller pieces, so that's how come I have it like this. Now I'm going to also go ahead to cut some carrots, which I couldn't capture. Now let's move on to making our sauce. And to make this sauce, we'll need some mayonnaise, and then you would have to just go in with some ketchup. But before then, you want to mix these to make sure that it's a bit okay and smooth, not very smooth, but it should just be okay like this. Now you want to go in with your ketchup. This is going to add some color, taste and flavor to our sauce as well. Add in some sweet chili. This is for some extra sweetness and spicy. Now go in with some evaporated milk. This is just going to make it taste the best. This milk, don't miss it out. For some extra heat, I went in with some pepper, powdered pepper, and I'm going to mix everything together just as you see right here, and we'll set this aside. Now we'll go ahead to assemble everything. Now into a bowl, you want to go in with your chicken, then you add in your cabbage, some carrots, and then you follow up with your sauce from earlier. So the sauce, you just want to be reasonable with that. If you want your shawarma to be very juicy and creamy and moist, just make sure that you add enough of the sauce to be enough. Like, it should just be enough. Just make sure you've added enough to just suit your preference, and this is okay. You can reduce it if you don't like it this way, you want it a bit dry, you don't want it all over the plate, then you can just reduce the sauce. Make sure you keep some of the sauce in the bowl for something else. So I'll be showing you what we'll use that sauce for. I cut my flat bread like this, and I'm just dividing it into two, And what I'm going to do is that I'll lay it on the flat surface, and I'll make sure that the part that has holes will cover for the other side, so nothing will be spilling here. And now the sauce that we saved from earlier, I'm just going to put a bit of that in the wrap, just like this. I'm going to put a bit of that in the wrap. You can see I'm making sure that everything is well in position, so that when I put my sauce and everything in it, my filling, nothing will just fall apart. They will all be intact and nothing will spill. So I'm just spreading this here, and this is going to add up to some extra juiciness. So this is me just packing a lot, okay, a lot of the filling just inside like this, and I'm going to be going ahead to wrap it just as you see in this video. Now that we've achieved that, we want to just put our chicken shawarma wrap in the pan just like this. We are going to add a little heat to this, and then we flip it over, and this is going to help everything to marry very well, and then to seal up the edge, sorry, very well. So that is what you see right here. You can see it is very nice and crunchy on the outside, but it's going to be moist on the inside, and that is what we want to achieve here. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and also share to your friends and loved ones so they get the best out of this chicken shawarma. I hope this video helps you, my loves. I will see you on the next video. Until then, stay safe. If you want to enjoy more videos, then click on this video right here and then enjoy more content from me. See you soon.